Hello everyone, good morning to all. My name is MD Zial Haque and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. I had completed B.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2019 from Kolahan University, Chaibasa. When I completed my B.Tech, I was unable to get a job in IT field. So from one of my friend I got to know about Evision. He tell me about the Evision that Evision is an institute which trains the student in IT field. So I joined Evision and after the training of 3 months in Evision Technoserve I get a job in IT field. Today I am working as desktop support engineer in IT field with a package of 2.5 LPA. Any freshers or working professional who want job in IT field, they can go with Evision and get trained and get a job in IT. Thank you.